Bromus mate in 2 that happens. The only problem with this opening is that it generally leaves to slow positions, but I'm still in great shape here. Like, I'm gonna have a chance to win, even though it felt like I had no chance just like 5 minutes ago. Things are Caesar for the prime. Things are gonna shoot wizard bubble for the prime as well. Let's go d4. Yeah, it was pretty good. 2500 25. Well, it's not that I was down 10, it's that I was down 10 and he was on a big heater. He was on a big streak there, so that's why it was kind of scary. But I've stabilized it. Everything's looking good. I'll take with a D pawn. I could have taken with F pawn too, but who cares? Taking basically, though, I'm gonna have to try to, I'm trying not to play optimal moves. He's about to lose again. Okay, interesting. Let's go b3 and rook c1. If he loses again and I win, he did lose. Okay, great. That's excellent. Yeah, so if I win this game, I'm going to be building a bit of a lead again. Let's go h4 and trade. Takes. And I don't really want to trade. I'll go here. Go here, trade. I don't love my position, but I think it's still quite good. In fact, I'm just going to pre-move this. I think it's a safe pre-move. I could have gone bishop g5 too, but let's go here. Go here, reroute the knight, maybe. Go here. And now I can take. I think I'm gonna go. That's slight mistake. Maybe not. Bishop d5 still okay. I'm gonna go here and just guard the rook. Okay, that hangs a pawn. Okay, now I will win the game. Okay, up 2 pawns. Start pushing on the queen side. And now I have b7. There we go. Okay, resigns.